GC News, Bema Ovia Aquaba. I had the latest and hot news in Kwanamidi, Bremo. Nuti, so we now subscribe or more than say we subscribe to the channel. The way I say, we click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification of when sir, you be a happen when the first person out, sir, Becca, a video. I feel we are now, well, like video. My thumbs up, give us a thumbs up. Now, feel. Share my offer for so now when you be here now who and someone else ewo Ghana memoano afi yebura and someone about the toy yeposo yiti a yes answer ya ekosi report ya about to the yiti yeposo yiti
menuanom Ghana for momma yenka adwene ne akoma mom na yenje or mining free and MPP for nsem na yemfa nhye either President Mahama or Mr. Alan Kwadwo Kyeremate nsem for 4 years 4 years ne so na ya access wo mo nipa obewe ne bia no Ghana for say ya nhase anye saa wo ho say ya nhase anye saa na ye masika di ye ni mukan say ye de politician bia bre ye sika na yaje na yakoye na ye poli na ye shop menu ya no Ghana for anapay ye guso mo ka na Henry Quarter adwin be si mitrim me yes me type Henry Quarter pe na me say honorable Adomako doctor no Kisi Adomako me say so oka Amra Henry Quarter ba afoforo ode ahokeka ne ahoden try say obestop eniema binom no MPP for na Ghana for ni bi na wa MPP no na and threaten Henry Quarter. That is the danger of what is going on. Yeah, we are the problem. There be American me say yen citizens no mumma yen jintum say yen 80% of the problem. We are 80% of the problem. I thought that politicians they want to do the right thing. But yes, citizens na ye ma wo mo kwan because yes, citizens na ye mu bi mu ene ye technocrats no ye mu bi mu ene ye civil servants no. And I pay Dr. Kisi Adomako and some all about how sometimes ministers ni bi impo MPP mu ye you minister bi wo ho person ya de papa now so the ministry no omo ye adwuma wo ho no ye ma no kwan ubetumi nya technical director utumi ka kire minister say ye ubeto yen wa ho o de say yenim say kwata 8 years obeko ye de obeto yen wa ha kwata 4 years obeko obeto yen wa ha enti yanya ne ye say ye man yanya Ghana for na ne ye say o man no enya politicians ne nko awo aya mama ye so ye take responsibility ni bi ye ka problem no ho bi ye ka ho bi ana pay meeting honorable Kennedy Agyapong interview no like the more I'm watching him, the more I am understand what do we want Honorable Kennedy Agyapong to do? What were we expecting Honorable Kennedy Agyapong to do? Other than to go back to his party and support his party. But you see, the more I listen to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong on the campaign platform, the more I am convinced that we need to prove to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, and the supporters, that in the interest of Yekrom Ghana, we will not yentie the all canon. It's as simple as that. We are not going to listen to him in the interest of our like in relation when you listen to interview now you juxtapose it to Galamsey video then you ask yourself say and you Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ya na catch and say Nana Akufo-Addo te ho now when it comes to Galamsey oni roots oni ihini ayanya sane e kano. Bottom line, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong told us that Nana Akufo-Addo's government, Bawumia's government, Napo's government, his own government, they cannot fight Galamsey. Because Oma na Galamsey, when I say Oma and your Honorable Kenu, MPP for na Galamsey, Napo and the Galamsey kingpin was in the studio with them. Video ya meba Galamsey kingpin, the kingpin of Galamsey today in Ghana. I was saying yensuni yensasi. I.e. chairman wound to me. Now at the studio hobby. And you see, we was say a G or many free woman sem. That doesn't mean say you're honorable Ken, you're no. But the man is powerless at the moment. Until we give Honorable Kennedy Agyapong the mandate to take action. On to me nyere. And you know where Jai Kasa bebre no. There's no point so be Kasa biem. Aya na metis and Crawford Kasa na Kennedy Agyapong na sa time no Kasa na you want to me yanchu edie no nye. Na ode koma yoko beka chere se hwi ni mu e ode koma OSP no OSP si hwi ni mu e ode koma court na court hwi o man na ye wurade nku Ghana mobo enti eno na Amarado born no mo no me ne wo sere kwa but ma fa me ho adwene me the Honorable Kennedy Japan na maba be hu no me minim se wa fa ne ho adwene no te ho no campaign no de obeye na obi ameka jere se wa anye campaign but wa fa ne ho adwene no te ho no until say ye beje free nkrofo we nsem na yen ya ye believe so Honorable Kennedy Japan na betumi a whippy nkrofo in line ye di tumi na she Honorable Kennedy nsem there's nothing Honorable Kennedy Japan can do. Therefore so we Kennedy Japan supporter I don't understand why Obeka say when who Kennedy Japan Honorable ewo campaign no munti no wadwen asesa mene ukwakoto aba ama Bawumia ukoto aba ama Bawumia say na wonim se Bawumia wo na Obeka say Ope Kennedy Japan so we Kennedy Japan supporter uti MPP no wo say when who say Kennedy Japan di campaign na chinti wadwen asesa na chita na wo mpe Honorable o party na emom ubedi e kire bi akeke because say na wo gidie wo Honorable Kennedy Japan mu ampa se ono ne betumi asesa nooma agi party ne free achimfo yinsem one asesa oman Ghana amaye awepe nkrofo in line na ade achiche nkrofo na ade a unkoto aba Bawumia because one who say Kennedy Japan di echire enti ba nyansa nka nkyira wo say Honorable Kennedy Japan campaign no di echire dia na wo so di echire keke wo so di echire enti wo na wo ye na chita ne supporter no wo na wo se wugina Bible say, put on the full armor of God, and when you finish there, also stand. Put on the full armor of God, the breastplate of salvation, the helmet of the or say, and when you are done, stand. Gina, one kase sheni in area we are sawadjene, na baby a ye di bone no koho. Or si Gina. Enti yes, yede ye hu se Kennedy Japan di echire, but yes den, ye nko tae nechi. Bawumia because Honorable wona na yepe and say wona yepe na yenim say wona betumi aba in 4 years time then was yekoto aba Bawumia. We have to ensure that Bawumia will lose the campaign so that Kennedy Japan can come. So we MPP no we Kennedy Japan supporter, but very we saw some Kennedy Japan supporters mwadwunya sesa munyina makwa akodi echire Ghana for guy back your friend Franco and some wabe bruego and some ukoto abama MPP wokwa beso me see dia Akufo-Addo de beye mu bia dia MPP fo na poni Honorable Kennedy Japan no mu de beye mu bia omfa nyemo mu di se ye de yemo until se Ghana ni behua se de esito aba until se Ghana ni behua se de esito aba. Manchester Kennedy is like a chameleon. What do you mean by that? Please explain to me what you mean by Kennedy is like a chameleon. And she says, now all criticizing a party, no, your understanding of that was we're criticizing a party into own free party. Now no yentiana Mr. John Siasi don't get here. Or criticizing NDC for. Say about to na year kono. NDC for munya wene kwenye and Crawford start teacher position. Mr. John Siasi don't get here or criticizing Omuriye. Did he leave the NDC? He's still in the NDC. He's still campaigning. So why should Honorable Kennedy Japan leave MPP? Mona mokasa de maintain was you. Oh no then ho. And was say a party own free. What is anybody's problem? He comes and speaks the truth. You people have an issue with him. The man is quiet now doing what he wants to do. You still have a problem. No, nobody can dictate to Honorable Kennedy Japan. He doesn't owe anybody FOCO. Honorable Kennedy Japan does not owe anyone FOCO in Ghana. It does not owe anybody any explanation in Ghana. The same way we open. Nanado did not make the law. The law. Now, did anybody say in our submission that Nanado made the law? Nobody said that. Is that your interpretation? Now, mommy, Honorable Ken no video no. You people now want to put all your frustration on Honorable Kennedy Japan. Now, other than one supporting the last year, those of you who want to now put all your frustration on Honorable Kennedy Japan, does he owe you? Does Kennedy Japan owe you people anything? Matna siya shama or minus say you know. Afe na mo de mo wire nyina akokoshe Kennedy Japan. Na se ene ono so ya na dwene se sebio obema ne suban na yete se mo amudie ni bia afe de mo bu afu. na there be a mekano Ghana for nkwane nkrofo a meminimu a ye beto abanko na everybody's morality na aba obia suddenly becomes moral. Now suddenly everybody understands that the right thing needs to be done. We are looking for the right type of leaders, blah 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 blah. Meanwhile, some of na ye kafa leaders you wana mudi atem. Na some mo se Canada Japan ye bodamfo. Mo se ya paye ni trim, ya koye ni trim operation enti wa bodam. Enti se ode na bodam ni di na poni ba wo me achi a mo problem ne say. Mo se wa bodam e na oya abodamfo ne ma de kire mo. Enti mo problem ne say. Amra na ye ka kire mo se Canada Japan abodam. Mutumi kwatena obi TV so na odidi Canada Japan atem de kire mo. Canada wa bodam ya paye ni trim na ye mo de na mo sresre na mo sresre. Na mo sre na ye mo de na mo share na odi mwate odi Kennedy atem de chiremo Kennedy Japan wakoji twe sika na obeka 800 million na obeka say ya dia offer na wanje. How many of you criticizing Honorable Kennedy Japan today when he came and told Ghanaians that they offered him 850 million onopo one boy amount or so man manisika e chire them so boy or how many of you applauded him and said Honorable well done say wanje sika no? Majority of you came and insulted him. Majority of you came and insulted him. Majority of you said he was lying. Then somebody suddenly comes and tells you that Sikano Kura Oje na yedin kaima no emu 300 million na yede komano wo menshia. Then suddenly all of you believe that. Mwana mose wanje no. Mwana mose oyo trufu na waje no. Afede yesu waje 300 million no. Eye mo de mose eye no kure Kennedy die onye Kennedy oyo bodamfo wakoji sikano wakoji emu 300 million ya kukuru shippers authority ya de amana yire e fine ne kosi hi. Say then na mo pese onye. Some mo say waje Ghana contract nyina. And you say yes obedi na poechi ope more contract. O problem ne say mona mo criticize you Honorable Kennedy Japan mo problem pa anything. Then pia me catch them Ghana for bebre you don't know what you want. I don't care who you are, whether you are a lawyer, a doctor, a nurse, or whatever. You still don't know what you want. It is easy for you to sit back and criticize people you don't even know. Kennedy is like this, and Kennedy is like that, and Kennedy is like this. Now someone say what about them? And oh yeah, about them for Nema. So what is your problem? Take finance one about them for. Oh, you'll be our complaining about Honorable Kennedy Japan. You better stop because we say what about them. So oh yeah, about them for Nema. Just leave him. I don't know about them for no kind of show Ghana wa mun complaining. Leave the man to do his about them for Nema. And you do the right thing. Ensure that John Mahama will win. Ensure that Alan Chiramatin will win. Finish. If you see a Bodan for one running who naked on the street and you will not come and complain about them because you understand that about them, then Honorable Kenneth who about them mentally challenged. Leave him to do his mentally challenged near me. They pay Momo about them. I feel you are about them for Nema de Cherema Mubufu. Munya Hungry, said I be a catcheremo. Munya Hungry. Nayasunya and catch Honorable Kennedy Japan so unya. Do obey be on ye? Or do obey the abo on your moving or my way yet Tim? Maybe I send back open or can ya. Maybe chere my dream or when they actually know. A couple of two things.
My best science.
It's
a movement. Mirror.
On the two.
What to say?
Honorable Kennedy Japan back okay.
Anyway, and then you said I'm cheapy, but the women can be sabi. I really am penny for now.
Ira, I will serve you, Mamanko. You with it, Madame Roma. Yes, 7th December, Ghana for you, Kwakotwaba. That's right. Na Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, when ya Yanko Point, and Munyam, that's right. And the independent Munyam, it's true, and they a party leader. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, or no MPP phone, no Yapa to the Swaba. Na what the Dr. Mahmoud, what the Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, and I had a running meet. To also want to obey say a benauso. Now what to me, I win a battle titru, I was Santimamuha, the target 85% in Wabua, Amayansa at me, Aka, and Numu, and Ama. I am Yakasami, you are paying working at Japan, Canada, or Japan, as so about the Kamwa, Yapon to a tear pond to us.
What is Gemma wound to me? Or no one in your opinion, Canada, Japan. Canada, Japan, in your opinion now, or quiet press conference, Canada, Japan, you come and swallow, okay. Last year, what now better say politics and yasa muketwa politics uni abotira won't me ye she na mo pa Kennedy Japan your politician and ka wonja MPP o me hu obi comment bi say honorable Kennedy Japan should go enjoy Mahama. Why should he go enjoy Mahama? No, why should somebody spend all his money, blood, sweat and tears for 32 years to build a political party? Now onja ni na fan koma opposition for what to be a hifa corruption yes sir. The man is a politician. He is doing politics. You better understand. You don't understand Brian Champo Sekoshipo. You don't understand Kennedy Japan. Go and bend the sea. Brian Champo ne kai, Yamam guy. These are not my words. And to us, someone would tell my wound to me. And that was so on one in your penny Kennedy Japan. Waba. It was the same media. And I tell my wound to me tonight. So catch a Ghana for Kennedy Japan. You Ahmed Swale. One would have expected Honorable Ken. Say community radio no so na and go back actually want to me say hey can the radio no Ghana for you and says I dey now kan oh pachel or whatever. But Honorable Kennedy Japan will never do that. And your election year money you want. Uncle ye bibi mobi meka say hey what's that the confusion about they claim they are united. They claim that they are united. This is where you know that it is called the game of politics. And to us,
Matthias
or say Kennedy Japan in your opinion ba or baba bua womo say on your 10 cents of Kennedy Japan be mo say or more than be mokai adomako befi or not they see baby oda yankumpon for your mom pay man. One say you and for a very long time. Catch them with any man koyi. Adomako be fi kwatena radio show catch say Kennedy Japan abodam nempo ye here obe here say psychiatrist or say psychologist or say whatever and the same Kennedy Japan but them you know Henry Kwate eka catch them nkrofo say mamuntu abama no he's a crazy man and ne crazy man no chairman won to me say Kennedy ye wudini oku Ahmed Swale na say Kennedy sam bia na no Ghana hobium ono obema ya chi Kennedy Japan ene o say ye ni nua panyini waba obeboa wo mo ushia bibi mfrim someone ono ba wo me anankasa na ye candidate flag bearer wa anko gina campaign so anka nkire ye say obi okasa dodo politics of insults Kennedy Japan politics or ye politics of insults and that enye Kennedy Japan boto musika eni ye di bo abebu o man Ghana mokai ye sure anopa baako na the publisher, the Insights, the Chronicle, Daily Graphic, Daily Wine, Daily D&D, Nina front page, ya Bram Kennedy Japan is doing politics of insult. Ya sena ma the whole Ghana. And then the same Kennedy Japan. 10 say, where is Oparianza? And then I fed you, omu here sika, omu here voice, omu here influence, obi on a grassroots for any kasa grassroots for any tieno. Omako frebo demini, Kennedy Japan. Say I fail no more who's on my big mistake. I fail no more who say on my big mistake. Like MPP foko cha wo mo Frede wie no. Ebeto the same Kennedy Japan answer. Man kan kire mo. Say me call Ghana last year June. Me call Honorable Kennedy Japan campaign ni bi out of the blue. Say me am de mani kwa kwhwe no ma. Me share papa no for the first time. Ye de me call if you invite me call a birthday party me call fi ho. Be who no one to me in the bon comot na say. And I who how very powerful Honorable Kennedy Japan is in Ghana and in the MPP. Man can't tell them. That Honorable Kennedy Japan is a very powerful. Me say se means so ha mania. Uyi President Kufuor free wa Kennedy Japan is next in Ghana. Especially in MPP politics. And President Kufuor, it is only because of his age. Because Omunina Kennedy Japan and Omukodi president. Man can't tell them. Shekwaya MPP for the Honorable Kennedy Japan fashion. And then as I beton and today without Kennedy Japan, especially in Ashanti region, they are not going anywhere. Today they need 85% votes in Ashanti region. So now they have to go and call but them menina ya pa ni temono. Na ye ni trimu nyansa nyina tuegu na wabodam kasaba kasane bushu Kennedy Japan ni munyansa woka ene ono ha. The same Kennedy Japan. And it's a Mahama catch us Kennedy Japan and a very, very good friend. TSC. Twice President Mahama Kasa same way in less than 2 weeks. 2 times were referred to Kennedy Japan as a good friend. Some Mahamas will play a game. His Excellency Onim Bibi, Onim the strength of Kennedy Japan, and he's playing on it. His Excellency John Mahama knows, he say, Ghanaians know Kennedy Japan to be a very honest man. So some NDC for campaign no more now. They are not even referencing Bawumia so much, but they are referencing Kennedy Japan. Because the NDC knows that the moment they tell Ghanaians that MPP for Kennedy Japan could say. So Sami Jenfi comes and does his NDC 360 on Wednesdays. He will play Kennedy Japan. Then President Mahama himself pay Munakasa Swaba twice about Kennedy Japan. In his World Bank Volta region, he mentions Kennedy Japan, tells the people in the Volta region that Kennedy Japan is my very good friend. In other words, listen to Kennedy Japan when he tells you that they have looted Ghana like there's no tomorrow. You see how powerful Honorable Kennedy Japan is? Nanka opposition leader, and yet Mahama, and yet Bawumia no neneko. Why wouldn't he mention and attack Bawumia? But he's using, you see how clever President Mahama is? He's playing on the strength and the influence of Kennedy Japan in Ghana. Because Mahama knows that the moment he tells you that Kennedy is his good friend, Kennedy is this, you will start listening to everything Kennedy Japan has been saying about his own party. Because whatever Honorable Kennedy Japan has said about his own party is the truth. When he tells you that they themselves are involved in Galamsey, it is the truth. When Honorable Kennedy Japan tells you that they have failed on Galamsey, it is the truth. When Honorable Kennedy Japan tells you that Bawumia and Ken Ofori-Atta and the finance ministry, this current crop, they have no strategy, it is the truth. When Honorable Kennedy Japan tells you that they have looted Ghana like there's no tomorrow, it is the truth. That doesn't mean that Honorable Kennedy Japan should stay at home. He's not a pensioner. He is not a pensioner. What an FE. Now pensioners could show more your community engagement. Into more than one finance or your pensioner or your community engagement. Mona Montias yes OD campaign, finance or your pensioner, but or your community engagement and one anam or in a new shabby. Montaigne maybe no massy. Montaigne no massy.
Now, what's in your reign? Ababe Ghana man penny, President of Republic of Ghana, and today and your mama Kwaba.
So now the same one to me who sat in a radio station with Kennedy Japan and was throwing his wits about, you know, and you want to tell me, hey, Kennedy, hey, boys now did you much, you know. Today one said why no book as a small boy, like a younger brother. Yeah, my brother, my big brother Kennedy Japan is here. Or Baba Buayen. And he suddenly went to me, I know what to say bofra and your mind games or more than my journey diagoro, your friend of politics. The game of politics, it is a game. It will take years to come and break everything down and decode everything for you guys. Now, what my wajune when near daho. Now, adrenaline so ye juma na adi akotua by December 7th. And now for Kwame Atrono, Kennedy picture kura is bigger than Bawumia and Napo combined. Nanka hifa korosho na bodem ni yede nimbo Yusubam. They know the power he carries.
My ancient some assistant say you need any brekura bibri. Yeni brebri ye shen komona sana. My mention same from king ho. On a mention common say free ho.
And then what the same way to me platforms. On what chance we did the Honorable Kennedy Japan at Terminal, and then the same platforms. Yes, shall say free, yeah, Papa Kennedy Japan. And then your papa. And then your Kennedy Japan, and your woman papa. May say by now, I said so watching na fetchira copacho, make a kubisa. And so share at him the dear sense so boachi, the Honorable Kennedy Japan.
Mr. Say, you do what you say, you knew. I want the boa party.
Mate, yenim yadi wachi ache yenim ahoden a wo de boa party enti wo munim so Honorable Ken e na boa party no ahoden na sa munim sa denti na mo ama grassroots for na nto aba ama no. Now let's go back to the Japade document. Yeah, ma grassroots for nto aba ama no because Akufo-Addo wo plan ye de Akufo-Addo achi ni di obeka ne ye beye Akufo-Addo ato Asante MPs nyina wato CEOs nyina ministers nyina odi mekasa wato odisika tom nyina omu nyina so akoto grassroots fo no enti de omo beka ene ye beye ena mokoton abatwo no muji sika 30 shekels of silver ena moton o my Ghana ema Akufo-Addo nti munim se MPP grassroots MPP delegates mu ana mokoto abama abawomia no mo ayese Judas moko J 30 shekels of silver ena moton Ghana dachi e de ama Akufo-Addo. And then I say Ejapade document. Sometimes when I see some of them on some of the platforms on YouTube discussing the Ejapade document, when you bring one and discussing a shower massa, Marco ton or mine every Marco G 30 shekels of silver every. Ma was say Judas or Jirian or no Judas or Jirian or no and then Mumu be MPP for one no more. Mwanumo Eugene Boache ntwi mu nyina and now say adane Eugene akasakasa adane na kasakasa mwanumo mwakoji 30 shekels of silver na wie ma wo say Judas Algerian onu ne ho Judas Algerian onu ne ho enne mu bebre MPP for mwanumo Eugene Boache ntwi mu nyina and now say adane Eugene akasakasa adane na kasakasa mwanumo.
You're waiting for Wayne reporter about the tour so because GC News so and our no so we can subscribe say we subscribe to the channel. Now so what like video to give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer for us now. We may be here now and someone else so it's here latest and hot news going on the day promo. Also get me actually one game fire and somewhere now will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.